Hello, today in this video we're going to show you how to program your garage door operator with dip switch function.
This method will work with operators and external receivers. First, let's locate the dip switch panel. For this model, it is in the back of the receiver.
This method works on all dip switch feature operators.
Using a paper clip or a small screwdriver, you can select a series of on and off numbers by toggling the switches. Now once you've set your sequence, let's grab the transmitter. On the transmitter remote, locate the dip switch panel, which is typically located in or by the battery compartment. Now let's adjust the dip switch sequence the same as we did with the receiver. Or you can use an existing remote to add a new transmitter remote by adjusting dip switch sequence on the new remote from the existing remote. When the switches are in the matching sequence, the programming is complete and you can test the operator by clicking your remote transmitter.
If you have any further questions or need replacement transmitter remotes, contact us directly at northshorecommercialdoor.com. Thank you.
Thank you for watching the northshorecommercialdoor.com video. Now please subscribe to our channel so we can continue making informational videos like this.